what I get in a week of PR? Let's get into it. So first up, never tried this brand, so I'm excited to see if they're any good because I love my skincare. Here's how it looks. Oh my gosh, we're matching. Viviana Vitamin C Brightening Serum. Ooh, next we got 2 boxes from Lottie London. It's like a treasure hunt. Oh, guys, I got the same thing twice. The exact same thing in each package. Not that I'm complaining, but that means I can definitely do a giveaway for you guys. An eyeshadow palette, powder blush, multi-face brush, a matte liquid eyeshadow, and some plumping glosses. Got something from Benefit. Fluff Up Brow Wax. Interesting. We got a big one from Revolution. Ooh. Ooh. So it's a new mascara from Revolution. Surely there's more in here with all this packaging. I don't think there is. I think that's it. That's kind of a waste. I feel kind of bad, but still a very cute PR package. They should have just made it like half the size about here, but still happy to receive it. Here's how the mascara looks. Let's check out the wand. It's a thicker wand. Some skincare from Skin Proud. Oh la la. We've got a rosewater face mist, an overnight sleep mask, cooling eye serum stick, some makeup remover pads, and a detox daily exfoliating tonic. I know what this is. We got the new Charlotte Tilbury highlighters. Oh. So we've got 2 brushes and 2 shades of the highlighter, Sunset Glow and Rose Gold Glow. Ooh. Next is this pretty heavy box from Kiss. Da-da-da! I don't know if you can see, but this box is literally covered in like tiny little faces of me all over. That is hilarious. So we've got 4 pairs of lashes from their Lash Strip collection, 4 pairs from their Matte Black collection. I've never tried these before. A bunch of their press-on nails, which I've had before, and I love them. Even more right here. I honestly feel so spoiled. Lash glue liner in clear and in black. A fancy little glass. Cute. And then last up is this little personalized bottle. Oh my gosh, and it even has my name on it. Right there, do you guys see? I saved the best till last. This is from YouTube. Guys, if you see how big this box is, and it's so heavy. It was damaged during the shipping, which is sad. It feels like a ton of bricks. I've zoomed out as much as I can for you guys to see. Let's open it up. Oh. It has a lovely little thank you note here for YouTube creators, but I'm not going to sit here and read it all because we'll be here forever. But feel free to pause and zoom in so you can read it. Let me just start with taking this out first. We're going to get back to this in a second. It has a drawer here that you pull out. No way, this is crazy. What the heck? It even has my name on it. Ah! So there's still a bunch of bits in the box to set this up. Let's see what this is. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. I'll hold this right here for any of you that want to pause the video to have a good look at it. So there's a bit about the artist right there. Another lovely little note. Dear Tara, thank you for being part of our Shorts creator community. I hope that you have a great start of the year with this little gift, and I can't wait to see you continue to grow on YouTube. All the best, Camilla. Oh my goodness. I have a Prince Purple Rain disc. Is it called disc? Are these things called disc or record? Record? Look, you can store your records. So cool. I don't even think I've ever seen one of these in real life. Let's open it up. And this is the poster. Oh, here it is. I feel so bad that I don't know any Prince songs. Okay, let's gently get the record out. Carefully put this on. Okay, I think I set it up correctly. So turn it on. Push the arm, and then push this little leather forward to make that go down. I don't know if you guys can hear it because I plugged in the headphones. I don't want to get copyright striked. I feel so cool. It has Bluetooth as well, so I wonder if it can connect to my phone. That'd be pretty cool. This is definitely one of the best gifts I've ever received in PR. Okay guys, that's it for this unboxing. Thanks for watching.